Welcome viewer, I am Murugan. This video tutorial describes how to deactivate Windows 10 product key. Click Start. Settings. Click Update and Security. Click Activation. Shows your Windows 10 is activated or not. My Windows 10 is activated. Type CMD in search bar. Right-click CMD. Run as administrator. Copy the command in description and paste it to command window. Click Start. Settings. Click Update and Security. Activation shows Windows is not activated. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.